Primetime news this evening. Expert wants set formula for income tax threshold increase.
2 men arrested as Mocha maintains pressure on crime syndicate.
And 5 women now in custody as police dismantle prostitution ring. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Anthony Log.
Well, Andrea, more reactions to the government's new policies outlined in the finance minister's budget presentation Tuesday. I'll tell you what some experts want for later on in the business day.
And he's seen red tonight. Ronaldo Brown is here. That's the wrong throw. But that's what we're going with. Ronaldo Brown has a preview of what's coming up in primetime sports.
Well, the producer says I go to Campion. Well, Archie, I'll ask you this question. Ronaldo or Messi? Well, you can answer after. All roads, literally all roads will lead to the National Stadium on Thursday as Lionel Messi is here in Jamaica ahead of Inter Miami's game against Cavalier, and Olympic finalists set to miss World Indoor Championships. We'll tell you all about that in Primetime Sports.
They say he did not go to Campion College.
No.
Well, the director says he's dressed like a Campionite. Anyhow, we have the preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast with Romaine Robinson.
Thanks, Andrea. Now, we're monitoring very closely a trough system that is expected to bring some shower activity to Jamaica over the next couple of days. We're expecting things to dry up as we move closer to Saturday and Sunday.
He said a trough system? It's March, but you can find out more in the weather report and forecast later on. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what's your reaction to the finance minister's budget presentation on Tuesday?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News continues right after this break.